ghosts can exist. The possibility is supported in CTMU reality. Sometimes people can be a little superstitious, and sometimes they can leap to the wrong conclusions. But assuming that there is actually a ghost there, then the question is, can that ghost actually get into heaven? Why is the ghost there? Why is someone who is dead, why is he still inhabiting a place that he frequented when he was alive? What unrequited need is there that causes him to hang around? Could just be that he's hanging around on the physical plane because he likes to be here, and or he's looking to be reincarnated. But I wouldn't worry too much about it. I would, however, pray for your grandfather, and you make sure that you send him all of the love and help that he may need to find whatever it is he's looking for, because he's hanging around for a reason. Whatever, if there is a ghost, if there's this kind of phenomenon there, and that means that your grandfather has some kind of unrequited need that needs to be satisfied, and you can pray that that need is met.